Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to quickly and easily create a pickleball club pro forma financial projection using my proprietary financial model. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and walk through my pickleball pro forma financial projection model. And I'll show you how to quickly and, like I said, quickly and easily use it and get to work on your financial projections. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. And enough about me. Let's talk about the Pickleball Club pro forma financial projection model that I offer for sale with my Pickleball Club business plan template. And also, I use for my clients that I write custom business plans for. So, for this financial model, it has four tabs: the information page, the projection page, and the projections. This is just a summary of all of your information. Your profit and loss, this has your 12-month profit and loss statements broken into quarters. And then we've got the income statement, your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. That's going to give you your revenues, your expenses, and your net income. Now, any changes that you make into these dark colored cells right here are going to automatically update your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement tabs. So this, starting off, I start with monthly sales. And this section right here is your revenue generators. What are your revenue generators? Typically, for a pickleball club, it's going to be your monthly memberships, and then your miscellaneous sales, which could be your hourly court rates. It could be your sales from your concessions. It could be just if you have a bar and lounge in there, it could be from your bar and lounge. It could be for your tournaments. So there's a lot of different areas that you can go ahead and summarize and put into this section. And the way this section is used is you're going to enter the number of customers that you're going to be servicing on a monthly basis. You're going to enter the typically how much each customer is going to be paying each month, and then your variable cost, whatever the variable cost is to service your pickleball club members. And typically for the monthly membership fees, your variable costs can be relatively low. But for your miscellaneous, those costs could be higher because you can be selling food concessions, and you can also be selling merchandise as well. So you're lumping all that information into the section right here, so your variable costs could be a little bit higher. So once you enter this section right here, your revenues will all automatically update, and then again, your profit and loss and your income statement will update as well. For the labor section, this labor section for a pickleball club is relatively simple. Usually, it's going to be relatively low. This is going to be your salary that you're going to be collecting as an owner, or if you're going to be paying a manager, that's going to be your manager's salary. And then typically for a pickleball club, your labor is going to be, again, relatively low because, all you're doing is just, checking people in, making sure they're not destroying your courts, and just, watching them leave pretty much. Now, if you are offering concession, or if you are going to have some kind of a gift shop, or to buy merchandise, well, then your number of employees is going to increase dramatically. But this section right here is what it's for. You're going to enter the number of employees, the hourly rate, and the hourly rate should include any kind of benefits you're going to be paying them as well. And then your monthly hours, how many are this? If it's full time, this could be 172. If it's part time, then you're just going to put some kind of an equal sign right here, and you'll divide it by 2, which will just indicate a part time employee. And that right there is going to cover your labor section. Now, the next section is going to be your startup costs. And I've done pickleball clubs that start at $100,000 and it's gone up to several $1 million. So this section right here can be all over the board, but the categories are pretty much the same. You're going to have your miscellaneous equipment, which is going to be your pickleball nets and anything else like that is you're going to have your furniture, your deposits, your inventory, your advertising. So all that good stuff, all your startup costs right here, you want to put them into general buckets, and you want to list the titles of each bucket right here, and then the estimated cost for each item for your startup cost. And once you do that, this information, this is just a great starting point to put into your business plan to show the lender what your startup costs are going to be. The next section could be your monthly fixed cost sections. And for the monthly fixed costs, it could include rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting and legal, advertising, all that good stuff. And again, as the square footage of your pickleball club increases, then you should be also increasing your utilities as well as your insurance costs and probably your other costs as well. For the miscellaneous section, that's going to be, I typically put 20% for tax rate, but you can put that whatever the tax rate is going to be. I mean, let's be honest, these numbers are made up anyways. It's your best projections, and tax rates are complicated as is. So you just want to just show the reader that you're taking something out. The next section is going to be your growth rates. And typically for a startup business, especially pickleball, huge demand for it, and not a lot of court offerings. So they're like I said, there's huge demand, so your sales should grow quite substantially for the first year or two. As more competitors enter the industry, then your sales should start trickling off in years 3, 4, and 5. But use these growth rates right here to moderate your revenues as you see fit. The next section is going to be your loan section. So whatever number you put it in right here for your loan or your equity investment, whatever number you put in for your loan will automatically populate down here. And then all you got to do is just enter whatever interest rate you think you're going to be paying on your loan, your term, and then the payment will automatically calculate, and the principal or the interest portion of each one of your payments is going to populate into your pro forma profit loss statement and your income statement. So once you're done entering all this information, it automatically populates, my financial model will automatically populate and create your pro forma income statement for the next 12 months right here, and also your income statement for the next 5 years. So it's really easy, and it just takes, a lot of my clients are telling me it takes them about 30 to 40 minutes to put in the information, and once that's done, your financial model is ready to go. All right, hopefully this information was helpful, and let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.